What have you got?
So this is the Engwe X20Pro. We're going to do a bit of unboxing. This is a foldable electric bike. And then here, just going to fold up.
Well, hey, look at.
Which is great for camping, caravanning, motorhoming. But I'm disappointed. Right off the bat, I'm disappointed.
Why?
I'm going to come to that. We're going to get it out first. We're going to have a look at it, and then I'm going to tell you why I'm disappointed straight off the bat.
Well, I'm really excited.
So it's a girly blue to
Oh,
start
look
with.
at the blue.
It's actually growing on me. It's
Actually,
growing
on
me.
the camera, it doesn't look as nice as it does in real life. It looks more like a sky blue.
Oh, does it? That's not bad. I expected then that I was going to struggle to get that out.
Whoa, look at the tyres on that.
So, coming out. It looks like we're going to put this together, doesn't it?
Oh, it's so cold.
I need a stand.
There's a thing.
Starting off. Oh,
Oh.
throw it at me. Oh, is that a bit of damage or is that just a bit of scuff?
Oh.
I think it's just a bit of a. It is. It'll polish out. That'll polish out. It wouldn't be a great start, would it, if it scratched out the bottom? Have you got some scissors?
I gave them to you earlier.
Oh yeah, you did. They're in my pocket. Good
Whoa.
luck, beefy. It's not too heavy. It's not overly.
Oh, it's like a
yeah,
I'm a Celebrity
watch,
challenge.
There's a washer on that, so
Is
we'll
there?
just be careful because you pull it off, and don't. That's it.
Oh, there
That's
we
it. Protect this off. Oh, we've got keys. We've got keys on.
Oh my gosh, yeah, keys.
Ooh, look at that display. Look at that little display there. That looks quite nice, doesn't it? So we've got to have a riser somewhere. Where's the picture? Show me a picture. There we go. So, tools. There's a toolkit in there, isn't there? Oh, that's nice. That's nice. They'll give us some tools to do the job. So I'm going to start doing this up. Now, I need to look at a picture just to see what position that needs to be.
Isn't it?
I think so.
Are the instructions of any help?
Just reading the instructions.
I've read the instructions. So it says, stand the main body of the e-bike on the kickstand. You're just resting it, aren't you? Stand up and lock the steering column that is at the front of the main body frame. Insert the stem of the handlebar into it. Yep, done that. Make sure that the fork that will hold the front wheel is pointing forwards, and that the orient the handlebar accordingly. Insert the stem all the way. Oh. So yeah, that didn't really help then, did it?
Oh, so you mean you just read the instructions and you still don't know? In my mind, because this is going to angle round and then that's going to go
That way.
that way.
Yeah.
So in my mind, that's how it feels like it needs to be.
Right, now it says attach the front wheel and the front light. Is the kickstand already attached? Because it just say put it on the kickstand, so there must be one already attached.
I think that might be the kickstand.
Oh,
I like that little light.
do you? Just a light, isn't it?
No, it's pretty cool. Look at that.
Oh.
How cool is that? So I think this is where the kickstand goes. Again, instructions aren't fantastic, so I believe this is where the kickstand goes because
right.
it sort of seems like it's going to line up. Problem is, I can't actually see. Am I in the hole?
Is that what you were,
Am I in the hole?
Yeah, I think you're in the hole.
Are you sure?
Looks like it.
Does it?
Does it feel like it's in the hole?
I can't really tell.
Oh.
Let me try and put the other one in. I can't find the hole. So, let's tighten that into place. Actually, to be fair, I think if we'd have put that on first,
Might have made life a bit easier.
that might have made life. What we need to do then, put our front wheel on. So we've got two little bibbly bobs there, that bibbly bob and that bibbly bob
Oh my gosh.
that need to go into these little bibbly bobs.
Oh,
a little
yeah.
hole there, a little hole there. So we need to undo this one.
The bar.
First. We can now put our proper wheel in, and obviously we want to make sure our brake goes in the right place. So our brake has got to go into our little caliper. We're going to unwind this out as far as possible. So So we're going to go pretty much to the end of the threads. We're on the stand yet. Same this side, end of the threads, and then I'm going to make sure that our bibbly bobs are in the right place. Now I'm going to lift this up.
Don't drop it on my head.
Try and slide the brake caliper and the nut and the bibbly bobs in the right place. And the bibbly bob, that's it, you've done it. Yeah, if you watch your hands, yeah, so you're in.
I'm in.
You're in. Oh, I've got out, I'm out again. Oh, right, I'm in.
Yeah.
So the bibbly bob's in that side. And then this side, we'll spin the bibbly bob round again. Can you see that? Do you see the bibbly bob? So we've got to make sure our bibbly bob goes in there. And I'll tighten that back up. Well, that's a nice little saddle.
Is it heated?
No. It's nice though, contoured. So we're going to bibbly bob that out of the way. Undo that. And you do have to be quite careful with this frame because it's delicate. No, tighten it up.
Oh yeah, pull it round that way.
Make sure our seat's in the right position. We're going to we're pretty much done. I think we're pretty much done. Obviously we need to tighten everything up properly. I've just literally thrown it together. And again, you've got to be very, 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 very careful with the frame. It just seemed to, I haven't hit that there. Oh no, it's just a bit of dirt. I was just about to say there's a scratch on it already, but it wasn't. So again, making sure that, we're undoing the cable ties and not the brake cable. That's about it, isn't it?
One bike unboxed.
To undo it, so we've got a little lock again, so we pop that lock over and then that will come over, and then this is just going to fold up.
Well, hey, look at that.
Now, what tends to happen...
Oh, you've got your kickstand down, haven't you?
Yeah, that's okay for the minute. Yes, the battery then is in there.
Oh yeah?
So we can take that battery out if we wanted to. It's the wrong way around. Handlebars the wrong way around. So, let's just check that again. Oh, that was nice and quick, wasn't it?
Yeah.
That went well. That goes up really nicely, to be fair, out of the way. Have you seen any way to turn it on? Put the keys?
What you done?
No, nothing. I was practicing. So, that needs to be that side. And
So the hinge needs to be your size.
yeah. So,
It's designed in California, did you know?
is it? Is there a right and a wrong way with that, do you reckon? Okay then. So, handlebars are now correct way round. So, when it now folds, these are going to fold that way. Let's put the pedals on, let's tighten everything all up, make sure it's all correct, and give it a test drive.
Test ride. Yeah. There's a big sticker there. And it's got an R on it.
Alright. Right, I'm going to make sure these get tightened up properly as well. Like I said, the last lot I put on, they fell off. It is now on. Bolt out the front, we put our bolt through and then we screw this through. So this is going to have to thread through first. And that'll lock in and do that up. And then at the back, so we then put our little tab on the mudguard onto this side.
Website said 5'3" upwards, and you're what, about 5'6"? See, this was my problem when I was researching electric bikes. It was really difficult to find anything small enough for short people.
It's got gears as well. That's alright. Down. I thought
that was as low as you've got it. Oh no, it goes down a little bit more.
Tiny bit.
So you can put your feet flat. You sat on the pedal and you can sat on the seat and you can put your feet flat.
Yeah, so 5, 6-ish. And that's only just. Can I just put my feet completely flat?
Well, they do say, don't they, about putting your toes on is about where your seat needs to be. Your toes.
About where it is.
Yeah, about like that.
So I can take up, so yeah.
Might be somewhere near.
Let's just have another quick look at the fold on that now, just to make sure how that folds up. There is a little part of the stand there, and then that flicks over. That comes down nicely out of the way. So yeah, that folds up really nice. It's not too heavy. Get into the motorhome, onto the caravan. That nice little stand there. And then even at home storage wise, it doesn't take up that much room, does it? So instructions, rubbish.
Yep.
The one big problem, I said it very beginning of this. And my one big issue, straight out the box basically, I'm still worried that's going to fall over.
Yeah, it's...
so that's a bit of a, I don't know whether I just need to get that, you've got to get that in the right position. So
it's that front wheel,
over.
Yeah.
Now my one big issue, which was as soon as I opened this little box, I found my one big issue before I even looked at the bike.
What's in your box?
This is the charger, and I think what they really need to do is give us a proper UK plug and not an adapter like that.
Oh yeah.
I think when we're charging things like this,
you hear so many horror stories, don't you?
We've seen a lot of things on the internet and whatever about batteries and connections, and this is something that can cause issues, is these little adapters. So I would, if it was me, it's only a little 2-pin plug, it's not the end of the world. I'd just swap that out for something off one of your old radios or something like that, or just get one off Amazon.
It's like a kettle plug, isn't it?
Not quite,
it?
No, it's just a 2-pronged plug.
Oh yeah.
So I wouldn't use this, whether or not they change this later on for the UK market, because it's quite a new sort of product through. But I think what they need to do is change that to a proper UK plug. Once they've done that, once that's changed over to a UK plug, I think it's pretty good. We now obviously need to give it a proper test with the electric and what have you. But instructions, as I say, are rubbish. Instructions are terrible. So just looking at the pictures on the website is easier than the instructions, and then it's obviously just figuring out. That obviously caused us a bit of an issue because I didn't know which way this fold on the handlebars. Everything else was pretty self-explanatory. I wasn't sure on which way around to put the nut on that, but that was pretty easy to sort out. So yeah, I'm fair. It's light. It's about just over 30 kilograms, so it's not too heavy. It folds away nicely. So in the back of the motorhome, on the back of the motorhome, I think you've got no issues. You can get this inside the caravan, fold it up then once it's inside the caravan. And
it's really handy as well for, like, we've got a little car, we've got the little i3, and we can't get a normal bike in that, can we?
So it'd be interesting to see next time we're going to do a proper review. Can we get it into the back of a small car, and then what does it actually ride like? So keep an eye out for that video. That will be coming out very soon. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think. Are we getting a discount code or anything for this?
Yeah, there's some money off.
So hopefully in the description below, or popping up on the screen, we'll have some sort of...
We'd only got euros and dollars on our email, so we need to check out the pounds one.
Okay, so yeah, fingers crossed we'll be able to get you some discount if you want one of these. Let us know in the comments what you think. Give us a thumbs up if you've liked it. Don't forget to hit subscribe.